Yes. Hi. I turned 25 this year, and as we can all see, so I'm going to do 12.5 lessons that I learned this year because you and I both know you don't have the attention span for 25. And trust me, the point 5, we have a book with us. 1. In your 20s, most of the times you'll feel like you are in a dark, empty place, like you've been buried and may not find a way out of it. But remember, you haven't been buried, you actually have been planted. So give it time. कुछ वक्त दो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. 2. Trust yourself. And it shouldn't sound like I know it'll all work out, but more of even if it doesn't, I will survive. 3. Stop looking for your purpose. You're not going to find it. Instead, look for things that you are willing to suffer for, and that in turn will become your purpose. 4. Your life will change the day you stop treating your moods like instructions. Stop waiting to feel like it. Get up and do it anyways. 5. Not everyone who loves you knows how to keep you. Let me repeat that. Not everyone who loves you knows how to keep you. And that is exactly why not everyone you miss and love belongs in your future. This birthday, one of the biggest lessons that I also learned is irrespective of how old a relationship you hold with that person has been, every now and then you need to have an evaluation process, not in a very technical way or eliminating kind of way, but in a way to address if the relationship that you had first began or you had been continuing is still on the same page. I don't think us as Indians we have been taught this thing. हमारा यही है कि भाई इतने साल पुराना दोस्त है, बचपन का दोस्त है, या ये तो रिलेटिव है, तो कैसे तुम इसको एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग डू eliminate, but I'm saying is at least evaluate what are they getting on the table and is it the same as what you need, right? Make your priorities right. It's very harsh, but it's very much needed. 6. All my life I thought I needed more love, but turns out I needed better boundaries because boundaries create attraction for the right people and repulsion for the wrong ones. 7. I know this is something small and not much people pay attention to it, but I want to put an emphasis on this. Learn to articulate, to explain your thoughts, feelings, opinions, boundaries, needs, expectations into words, even in professional as well as personal sector. This is something very important you need to learn. 8. The code to crack universe is replacing why is this happening to me to what is this trying to teach me. Go deep inside and understand where are you lacking to attract what you want. 9. You don't attract what you deserve, you keep tolerating what you believe you deserve. The minute you stop settling for things, that is the minute you understand your worth and you actually attract what you deserve. 10. This is just a one liner that I want you to imprint it in your head permanently. बहुत आराम छोड़ना पड़ता है बहुत आराम पाने के लिए. 11. You can spend years waiting for the right time or confidence to kick in, or 5 minutes of being scared and doing it anyways. 12. It is about healing. I had a conversation with a friend recently about it, and I don't know if many people look at healing in this form. So let me put it up in the right way for you. Healing is a continuous verb. It doesn't mean not experiencing the same thing, but consciously making a better choice than your prior self when put in the exact same situation. Okay, the last point 5 lesson is actually again a one line that I want you to just fixate. I mean, I want that to be a mic drop in your head where you're aware of it all the time whenever you feel like you're losing it. I want you to remind yourself of this thing and keep working. I'm just going to say that line and then finish it off. Okay, so drum rolls, please. जिनको आसानी से कुछ नहीं मिलता उन्हें एक दिन सब कुछ मिल जाता है. Okay, that's Moksha signing off. See you.